Vivo launched its new camera-centric phone under V series in India called Vivo V60, with AI features. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V60 features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus quad-curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by diamond shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, paired with Adreno 722 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo V60 sports a Zeiss-featured tripod camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX766 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 90 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.53 by 76.96 by 7.75 millimeters, and it weighs around 201 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V60 5G has been priced in India as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in mist gray, moonlit blue, and auspicious gold color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from August 19. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V60 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.